I met this really nice guy sitting by a fountain on a sunny day with short brown curly hair and his hazel green eyes caught my attention. And then he got up slowly and walked across the green grass. He came to me unexpectedly and introduced himself to me. He said, I could not help but notice you from a distance. So good, I'm pleased today with you. Na 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 na. I could not help but notice you from a distance. So good, I'm pleased today with you. Na 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 na.
She sat down and we talked a while. Told me her name on some versatile. The way she spoke, the way she stared. When she looked at me, she looked at me. I tell you I couldn't help what was going on. Couldn't believe she was sitting right in front of me. I'm so glad. Na 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 na.
I could not help but notice you from a distance. So good, I'm pleased today with you. Na 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 na.
I think of you in the morning light and when the sun's on high and
I think of you when it all falls down and my days are caught in you.
I think of you when I'm down and out and I'm facing my darkest blue. You'll be my guiding light. You'll be my shining star. You'll be my sweet soul perfection, burning for affection when no one else can tear us apart. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I could not help but notice you.
No, I can't.
From a distance, so good, I'm pleased with you. Na 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 na. I could not help but notice you.
I couldn't have
From a distance, so good, I'm pleased today with you.
all I got